Right, hi everyone. I'll just pop round here on my way home, as I haven't posted on YouTube for a little while, about a month I think. I've been doing a few bits and pieces, but I haven't really been filming it, mainly because it is just all welding. But I will show more stuff soon. But I just thought I'd show, while I'm round here, I just thought I'd show you where I am. I don't know what you can see, but you know, the floor panels all in there, and the rear floor panel is all welded in there, which actually the floor panel, I don't know whether you can see, but all of these plug welds all the way along, I drilled straight through and plug welded the outer seal from the inside, because now, as you can see, the outer seal is all fitted, rebuilt the jacking point at the front. I can't remember how far what I posted on the last video. Yeah, the bottom of the pillar is all repaired. Yeah, so that's about where we are now. And the next bit I've got to do is to repair this rear jacking point. Which I've got some bits made up for that. There's the panel to cover it all once we're all done. My little panel to fill in up here, which I've had to make another one because the one I made, I don't know what I've done with it. I've lost it, so well, I've totally lost it, I think. But yeah, anyway. So yeah, and then we've got obviously closing this piece afterwards as well, which it's rusty out there, so we just replaced this whole piece. Just put one big panel in there, which will all be good. Anyway, yeah, like I said, I apologise for not posting much, but like I said, do you really want me to keep on showing just welding, or would you rather I just show you the stuff after I've done it? I will show some other bits and pieces when I do start, like for instance rebuilding the brake calipers, wherever they are up there and such like. We've got new discs and everything to go on the back, so we've got to rebuild all the back suspension, all the front suspension. I kind of need to get the jacking points solid on it so that I can drop all the rear suspension out, because at the moment the axle stands sat on the cross member that holds the suspension in. But yeah, anyway, just a quick one, and I will get back on it soon and show someone. I don't know whether I'm going to be back here tomorrow because the weather is horrendous at the moment. I don't know whether this water's going to end up in here if it gets any harder, but we'll see. Anyway, right, anyway, for now, that's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all soon. Alright, cheers then, bye.